Good morning all. Let's go to how to fix windows and doors, curtain windows and doors. This how to use your curtain windows and doors. So let's delete this first, or let's allow this to be. So let's assume we have a curtain wall like this. That fits our curtain wall. If you want to change this panel, if you want to change it, sometimes when you are clicking on this, you may not really sure, but you want to click to this panel, just like this. You try to click on it. You see it's very difficult showing. You go here. Sometimes you can't click this to get this. When you can't do this, you just simply, if you click on this, you click on this panel, you go to this, edit type, you go here. You make sure that this your material, this your curtain panel is defined. Sometimes it may go to none. When it is on none, you can't click on the panel. You can't get it. So it's better you always make sure it is always there. So you make sure it is always defined. So you just say okay. Then to change any of this panel, you just have to hover your cursor on this. Then when you see the blue line has circled it, that is when you can click on this. Then you see this, then you unpin it. When you unpin it, whatever you want it to come here, whether it is your window or your door or whatever you want it to come, you can now click to go to insert and we upload any curtain door in our range, whatever curtain door you have that you want to use. So let's look for a curtain window or door. Hmm. Revit library. Click on Revit library. Look for any curtain window or door. This is a curtain window, okay? Let's go here. We download it. We download the curtain window. We go back to architecture. You over your cursor here. You unpin. You have highlighted the panel, so you unpin it. Now go to this Dove brand. Look for that curtain window you downloaded. Look at it. You click. So we have gotten our window here. We have gotten our window here. So you can see it. So you can highlight this window and do your normal change on the window. Do your normal change, put every other things in place. Whatever you want to do, the color, they change everything. And you can go here and pause. So this is how to change. You can if you don't like the way this is here, you can remove this. Just open it and also delete. That's just it. I think I've taught you that. This is it. Sometimes when you click on